here, we have our own TV, so you can just, turn it on, switch here, so it's automatically. Alright, so we have like TV here, we have the food and beverages. If you're too lazy to go to the other cabin to order, so yeah, you got free internet, I guess, promotion and information, and food order record when you order the food. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's Ramadan, so but yeah, you get the idea. So that's all, and let's try the internet. Yeah, okay, accept. So yeah, you basically get free internet, and I think you can actually connect the USB jack here, so you can watch unlimited YouTube. I think I saw someone try it, so yeah, that's it. Next, I want to show you the leg room. So space is spacious compared to the other coaches. So as you can see from my stuff here, yeah, I have plenty of leg room, even though I have a lot of stuff placed here in front of me. So yeah, and another benefit that you get is like this thing and this thing. I don't know why, but I enjoy putting a lot of stuff, so it's kind of like beneficial for me. And of course, the usual, this is very important for us, so you get your own charger like a charger socket, so which is good for USB charging, and also the socket itself. So yeah, besides that, you also get this, your own table, because I think in the other coaches you have to like maybe have like a table, open from the seat here, like attached to the seat itself. But yeah, if you're in business class, you have your own this I don't know, school-like table. I don't know how to describe this, but yeah. So that's all. I forgot to mention, I think we get like this special bell button to call one of the attendants. I think that's special, I guess. So if you're in need of help or any assistance, so I think that's good. Yeah, and seat recliner is good also. So yeah.
Final destination station for this train is Butterworth. Next station, Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for choosing ETS. The final destination station for this train is.
Okay, so it's breakfast, but I'm fasting right now, so let's see what I get. For you guys who are wondering what it looks like in the inside, it's, well, basically a ready to eat meal again. And this is what it looks like when I reheat and open it and put it on a plate. As you can see, there are like chunks of meat, like little chunks of meat in there. So yeah, by the way, the non-Muslims got a different menu and they got the good one. I am jealous, okay? Next that I got is earphones. Yeah, earphones. Have a look at it. Can you guys see it? This is also a surprise because when during my trips I always get like earphones like in a small plastic container, a plastic casing, sorry. I will attach a picture here for your reference. So I always get this one, and it's like a normal business class type of earphones that they would give. So yeah, so that's what I got for my Ramadan package. Yay. Yeah, let's have a closer look of it. And here's the view. Stunning as always. And it's okay guys, so I'm almost near to my destination station. So I think that is all from the video for today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun contents. And see you again in the next video. Bye. So firstly, we got
Please make sure your belongings do